roommates and I have already decorated our house for Christmas. Unfortunately for them, I have been on the side of TikTok that's like, this is a DIY paper Christmas. The hell am I saying? You know what I mean? Whatever. I know what it means and you do too, so we're fine. I have gotten really inspired. I really want to make like an extravagant paper chain garland ceiling fixture thing. In my room, I have a ceiling fan, but down here, we don't. Like I said, unfortunately for all of my roommates, I'm going to deck the damn halls with holly. Or is it Jolly? Both will be here. So of course we have the Christmas tree, some garland by the TV, these like cute little mini trees, some more decoration in the kitchen, a little garland around our alcohol. On our dining room table, we have this tree and like this table runner and other things. This is a money tree. Everyone that comes over to my house always has a lot of questions, but this is a money tree, okay? We have this cute little bunny thing, and then we have like some garland over here too. Here is our dining room table, and I want to put the garland chains above this. Sorry, this looks kind of crazy. The ceiling I think would be perfect for it. So then I can bring like some of the festive cheer over here. I don't have any paper, but I do have a hot glue gun. We're going to go to Daiso, so I can hopefully find some stuff to use for this. It's just going to be a big DIY chain holiday garland type of day. I will do a haul when I go home. I was freaking out a little. It's fine. I got some stuff. So that's all that matters. Okay, I have made it back home, so a little bit of a haul. This was $20, and I know in the grand scheme of things, $20 is not a lot, but girl, I was shocked to spend $20 on paper. I was in this Daiso for maybe half hour, maybe 45 minutes. I was like losing my mind in the worst way, like not even in a fun way. I just was like, do I do fabric? But then I was like, no, I want to stick with paper. And then I found pre-made chains. So then I was like, oh my God, and they're shiny. But then I was like, oh, like I really want to blah, 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 whatever. I got some double-sided tape, some more hot glue sticks. I did show that I found these shiny hologram chain links. So this will be a lot easier for like size and stuff. I probably did not need to get this one, but I did. This is pretty. Was it necessary? Probably not. I don't know. I was just like freaking. And then this is just like construction paper, I guess. There's 15 different colors, 3 of each, 8 sheets of this construction paper. And then here's 2 gold metallic sheets. I think the chain links that I'm going to make are going to have to be like really long, like maybe like 15 foot. That can't be right. I just like made up a number. And I hope this does not look like a kindergarten craft project. Not that that's necessarily bad. I just don't want my roommates to be like, what is this 26-year-old woman doing to our home? But who knows? So we'll just see how it goes. And worst come to worst, I'll just take it down. But I'm hoping for the best. I think that this is pretty straightforward. I'm going to trim the papers to be the same size as these pre-cut chain links. Maybe I'll just like cut some strips. Oh God, I don't know. I just cut all of those. It looks really cute. I have organized these by color. So we have 2 different silvers, 4 different greens. There's so many red ones and then quite a few gold ones as well. Let's get to hot gluing. It's pretty long. Oh my god, this got so long so fast. Okay, so here it is. I think maybe I'll make this a little bit longer, but this does look really pretty. I'm thinking that I'm just going to make a few different variations. I was sitting here, I was like, am I just doing this for nothing? But it's not for nothing, okay? It's really cute, so I'm excited. My fingers are covered in hot glue and they hurt because I kept burning myself, but I think I'm finally done. Girl, I made quite a few. Here are 4 gold and silver ones, 3 little red ones, gold and silver ones, 1 red, blah, blah, whatever you can see. While I was making this, I was like thinking, I was like, did I make the first one way too long? And so I might just end up cutting that one in half or something. I don't really know. I'm just gonna bring these downstairs and try to put them up. My goal is to make my dining room look like the movie Elf when God, I feel so white right now. Anyways, like this is the picture and I know I could never do anything close like that, but that's kind of my goal. Like I want my roommates to come home and be like, this girl has far too much time on her hands. Anyways. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna try to place this really long one first. Maybe it would be best if I tried to see what the middle is and then put that in the middle of the room. And then the middle of the room is about there. I just hope this doesn't look too uneven, but what can you do? And then I'll just make it go like out one way and then out this way. Yeah, whatever. It's kind of blocking the light a little, but to be fair, we do not really use these lights. We prefer the soft lighting, so, well, I'm just gonna keep hanging things up, I guess. Like, this looks kind of cool. Okay, so you're seeing the vision. Be honest with me, is this cute? I still have a few more to hang up, but here are all of the long ones and they do not meet in the middle. So I'm like, is that weird? But I'm just gonna keep putting these here and then we'll have to see. I'm like looking at this and I'm like, oh my God, I should have centered it over the table rather than trying to center it with the lights. Honestly, I'm like, do I just keep it? And I think these, I just want them to dangle. I think that would be kind of cute just like throughout. So I'm gonna do that. Girl, I am sweating. We're gonna get it done, okay? I have 7 of these. Okay, maybe this one and another one will come out of this so that it feels more intentional. It's out of my hands now. I think it does look kind of cute though. I have set the lighting to how we would normally have it. Okay, the bright overhead lights, not really our vibe. I just want to say before I show you, like, just remember that I worked really hard on this and it wasn't difficult, but it did take a long time and my fingers are sore from me burning them on the hot glue. First, I have to set the scene. So you have the Christmas tree. Oh my God, Snoopy Christmas on. Our nice big new couch that I talked about in the vlog the other day. Is this not kind of nice? Is this not fun? Does this not bring a little bit of holiday whimsy into the space? Am I saying any and every buzzword that I can possibly think of that will make me feel better about this? No, I am not. It's just how I feel, okay? It's just my opinion. I think it looks cute. It kind of looks like a spider web, but I don't know if I think that because one year we did get a little crazy and we put a spider web up for Halloween in this exact spot. You know what? I'm gonna say that this looks amazing, and I hope you think so too. At least in person, it does add a little bit of holiday whimsy, okay? And we could all use a little bit of that. Okay, girl. On that note, I am going to get going. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for keeping up with any of my Vlogmas videos. I am just having the time of my life. I hope you guys are having fun too. Maybe it's just a little light in the dark corners of the internet and the dark corners of the world. On that very positive note, I will see you tomorrow for whatever we get up to. Okay, bye.